Okay, the subject here is adding polynomials. Adding polynomials isn't very hard. It's very, very easy. Of all the operations, this is the one that I prefer most just because it's so simple. Alright, we already talked about what polynomials are. Here we're going to be adding two trinomials. 1, 2, 3. See, this is 3 parts, so it's a trinomial. 1, 2, 3. Also 3 parts, it's a trinomial. Alright? So, in order to add this together, I know I've put this in parentheses, but because we're adding, I can essentially drop the parentheses and just combine like terms. Okay? So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to rewrite this. 7y squared plus 2y minus 3 without the parentheses. And to give you a visual, I'm adding 2. So it's like I'm adding each term separately. So I'm adding 2, and then I know it says subtraction, but that subtracting is the same as adding the opposite, or adding the negative. So I'm going to add negative 4y, or subtract 4y. It is essentially the same. And then adding 5y squared. Now I'm going to combine the like terms, or group them together, and add them, okay? And that's that sentence that's at the top of your notes. It says, in order to add polynomials, you group like terms, and then you add them, or combine them. Alright, so I have a 7y squared here, and a 5y squared here. They both have the same variable to the same power. They are like terms, okay? So 7 plus 5, because they're both positive, that is 12y squared. Alright, well I'm done with those, so I cross them out so I don't repeat anything. I have 2y here and negative 4y here. I know it's subtraction, but again, we're adding the opposite here. 2 minus 4, and that leaves me negative 2y. Okay? Alright, well here I have negative 3, positive 2. So if I have negative 3, positive 2, so when I combine those, I should be left with negative 1. And that's it. This is my new polynomial or trinomial. Okay? So over here, we're going to look at this equation. It's done very similarly for adding. So I can essentially drop the parentheses and just show you how to combine like terms. That's essentially what we're doing with adding. Alright? So I have 9y plus 7x plus 15a. And then I'm adding 3y. I'm adding 8x. And I'm adding negative 8a. Now this is still a trinomial. Instead of using the same variable with a different exponential power, I'm using 3 different variables. Okay? So y, x, a. So I still have to combine like terms. So one's with the same variable. So I got a 9y and a 3y. They're both positive. I add them together, I get 12y. So that's lovely. I have 7x and 8x. They're both positive, have the same variable. We're going to combine those. That's 15x. Nice. And then I have a 15a and a minus 8a. So when I combine those, it'll be 15 minus 8, or 15 plus negative 8. And so there I would get positive 7a. Okay? And then you're done. And we have our trinomial. It's pretty straightforward. Not much about that. I'll show you how to subtract in another video, okay?